Hi, welcome to Clay Expression channel. My name is Cindy. In this video, I'll be showing you how we make these rolling texturing tool. Do subscribe to our channel by pressing on that subscribe button. Let's go! This is what we'll be making in this video. Let's start with throwing a solid form on the potter's wheel. The form is approximately 7 centimeters in diameter and 3 centimeters thick. But you can make them wider and thicker. In the middle, remember to indent with a little curve. This will make it easy for you to use the roller tool later. We would normally make about 10 pieces at a time, as it will take a day or two for it to dry to a leather hard stage. When it is at leather hard stage, we would trim the solid form to give the base a similar rounded shape form. The middle section should be trimmed with a curve. The function of the curve is like a grip when you're using this tool later. Remember to round up all the corners and leave no sharp edges, unless you want the sharp edges to be part of your design. Make sure the sides are straight. Once all trimmed, keep them covered, as you can take your time to carve the patterns on them. We normally use wood carving tools to carve our patterns. When done, keep them covered and dry them slow, as because they are solid forms, you need to dry them slowly. When they're dry, you can then bisque them to 1000 degrees Celsius before use. Roll away with your patterns. Have fun!